All right, now let's look at this natural language processing and ChatGPT role in NLP itself. So basically, NLP is a branch of artificial intelligence that gives computers the ability to understand, analyze, manipulate, and interpret human languages. It combines, computational linguistics, rule-based modeling of human language with statistical machine learning and deep learning models itself, which means like it enables computers to process human language in the form of text, voice data, and to understand its full meaning complete with the speaker or writer's intent and sentiment basically. Now let's look at this chat gpt role in its overall, right? So the chat gpt role is pretty significant here. The role of nlp in chat gpt, like it basically leverages, right, so the latest development in deep learning and neural network architectures to accurately interpret and respond to complex natural language queries, which we'll be seeing in the coming sections itself, like when we are trying with different prompts and prompt chaining and different kinds of queries. Let's say whether it's writing any article or blog or even product description, how it behaves internally. So that will come to see, that will come to know, and we'll also see this into the real example itself. Now the the benefits of ChatGPT in real world, we already know that ChatGPT provides an interactive dialogue interface for users to communicate with them in real time. It's like a ability to converse in human way, like when we are talking. And ChatGPT in LLP task is like from sentiment analysis to document processing. Chat this is where it's pretty useful, and it is capable of performing a wide range of language related tasks with unprecedented accuracy and speed itself. And that is where it really shines. And if you see about nlp techniques used in ChatGPT, so some common nlp techniques used in ChatGPT include tokenization, sentiment analysis, named entity recognition, and part of speech tracking. So overall, if you see that it's advanced natural language processing capability powered by deep learning and neural network architectures, that's way is completely changing the human computer interaction, and that is the way forward, like for any of the person who is coming into the computer world, or he is interacting with computers in any form, or even with mobile devices. This things is going to take precedence, like it's going to completely change the dimension and meaning of that AI itself.